Hello students, today we are going to study bearing system. Now in compass surveying we have generally two types of bearing system, that is whole circle bearing system or azimuth system, or quadrantal bearing system or reduced bearing system. Starting with the whole circle bearing system, in this system bearings are measured in clockwise direction either from north axis or from south axis. It means that we can measure the angle of any particular line either from the north axis in clockwise direction or from south axis in the clockwise direction. Now one note is here that generally measurement of WCB is preferred from north axis only due to uniformity of drawing sheet. Now in general, in every books and in everywhere in the practical life, the WCB is measured from the north axis in clockwise direction. That's why we will always measure whole circle bearing from the north in the clockwise direction. Okay students, now the next one is quadrantal bearing system or reduced bearing system. Now in this method bearings are considered as eastward or westward and are measured either from north or from south direction, whichever is near. Okay, now in quadrantal bearing system we can measure the bearing either from north axis or from south axis in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction, either eastward or westward, whichever is nearer. Okay, now the relation between the whole circle bearing system and quadrantal bearing system. Here I had made a diagram like this having the basic coordinate system as north, east, south and west. Now I have here four lines, that is OA, OB, OC and OD. Now I had marked here the whole circle bearing, that is theta A, theta B, theta C and the last one is theta D, and all is measured from the north direction in the clockwise manner. Okay students, now I had also marked here theta 1, that is shown here from north in the clockwise direction of line OA, theta 4 in the anti-clockwise direction from north to line OD, theta 3 from south direction in the clockwise direction like this for line OC, and theta 2 from south direction in the anti-clockwise manner for line OB. Now if the line lies in the quadrant of 0 to 90 degree, then quadrantal bearing is equals to whole circle bearing. Here theta A will be equals to theta 1, that is when the line lies in the first quadrant, that is 0 to 90 degree, then whole circle bearing and quadrantal bearing will be same. Now if the line will lie in the second quadrant system, that is from 90 degree to 180 degree, then quadrantal bearing will be equals to 180 minus whole circle bearing. It will be equals to theta 2 will be equals to 180 minus theta B, that is shown here, that is theta 2, it will be equals to 180 minus theta B. Now when line lies in the third quadrant, that is 180 degree to 270 degree, which is shown here, then quadrantal bearing will be equals to whole circle bearing minus 180 degree. It means that theta 3 will be equals to theta C minus 180 degree. And if line will lie in fourth quadrant, that is 270 degree to 360 degree, that means in this quadrant, then quadrantal bearing will be equals to 360 degree minus whole circle bearing. It will be equals to 360 degree minus theta d, that will be theta 4. Now we had written here, that is line and bearing, that is whole circle bearing and quadrantal bearing. Now for line OA, the whole circle bearing is theta A and the quadrantal bearing is north theta 1 east. So we had written north theta 1 east. Now for line OB, whole circle bearing is theta B, which is shown here, and quadrantal bearing is south theta 2 east. So we had written south theta 2 east. Now for line OC, whole circle bearing is theta C, which is shown here, and quadrantal bearing is south theta 3 west. So we had written south theta 3 west here. Now for line OD, whole circle bearing is theta D, which is shown here, and quadrantal bearing is north theta 4 west, which is shown here. Now we know that the range of bearing for whole circle bearing will lie in the range of 0 degree to 360 degree, because it will vary from 0 degree to 360 degree. But in quadrantal bearing system, the range is from 0 degree to 90 degree only, because we will show the direction, that is northeast, northwest or southeast or southwest in quadrantal bearing system. That is all about the bearing system. Thank you very much, students.